Are you confused and worried about traveling during the winter season? Don't fuss. Here are 10 useful tips to guide you through packing and having a relaxed journey. 1. Pack warm clothing. Be sure to bring plenty of warm clothing such as jackets, hats, gloves, and boots, especially if you're traveling to colder regions. 2. Check the weather forecast. Stay updated on the weather conditions at your destination and plan your activities accordingly. This will help you avoid any unexpected weather disruptions. 3. Plan for shorter daylight hours. During winter, the days are shorter, so plan your activities accordingly. Make sure to get an early start to maximize your daylight hours. 4. Carry a survival kit. If you're traveling to remote or wintry areas, it's a good idea to have a survival kit that includes essentials like extra food, water, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a portable phone charger. 5. Be prepared for delays. Winter weather can cause flight and road travel delays, so have some flexibility in your schedule and be prepared for possible changes. 6. Stay hydrated. It's easy to forget to drink water during the winter, but it's just as essential as during the summer. Staying hydrated will help you stay healthy and prevent dry skin. 7. Protect your skin. Winter conditions can be harsh on your skin. Be sure to moisturize regularly and protect your skin with sunscreen, especially if you're traveling to snowy destinations where the reflection of the sun can intensify UV exposure. 8. Stay active. Winter doesn't have to mean staying indoors all the time. Engage in outdoor activities like skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, or winter hikes to make the most of the season. 9. Research seasonal events and festivals. Winter is often a time for unique events and festivals. Research and plan ahead to attend winter celebrations that might be happening at your destination. 10. Stay safe on icy surfaces. Be cautious of icy surfaces as they can be slippery and increase the risk of falls. Wear appropriate footwear with good grip and take your time when walking. And finally, remember to always consider the unique circumstances of your specific destination and adjust your plans accordingly. Stay safe and enjoy your winter travels.